Look at the side of the car. Y'all see how dirty, y'all see all that dust on there. My car is filthy, bro. And like I said, bird poop. Yeah, man, this car desperately needs a wash. Bird poop again, just sitting right there on the roof. Dirt, just dirt and dust. And like I said, wheels again. And no, I did not do the curb rash when I got these wheels. When these wheels was given to me, it was already like that. No more dirt, no more dust. The car's clean now, bro. I even got the wheels, got all the brake dust off of the wheels. Look at that now, man. The red's back shining to me. And like I said, I put a little bit of tire shine on, and I usually don't like rocking tire shine. Because like I said, once it start kicking off the tires and going to the body of the car and it cakes up, and I don't like doing that. Trim, and like I said, some of this won't come off, but the whole car needs to get repainted. All the black trim need to get redone, you know. So the roof is cleaned. Yeah, man, you just got the whole car done. You feel what I'm saying? Like I said, the bottom portion. What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video, and y'all see the title. We finna go ahead and wash my daily. Then after that, we're gonna wash my box. Then we gonna work on, you know what I'm saying, trying to get that paint removed off of them 20-inch wire wheels that I got. You feel me? So today gonna be sort of a bit busy today. You feel me? Plus I also want to take my box Chevy out and just cruise in it, because for me it's gonna be about a week and a half. For y'all it's gonna be probably about 2 weeks, maybe 3 more weeks till y'all see the video. But for me, it's gonna be about a week and a half. The box Chevy's getting dropped off for the new motor swap. You feel me? So y'all stay tuned for that, man. I'm excited for that. And once that happens, bro, I'm probably gonna be in the box Chevy every day. Even though I'm just about in the box Chevy, I'm in the box Chevy a lot. You feel me? But I just think after that motor swap, it's definitely gonna be something different, to where, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna just be driving the car a lot more, you know. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video though. Y'all know the routine. I'm gonna give y'all a walk around, and then I'm gonna wash the car off camera, and then show y'all the end result of how everything turned out. You feel me? Now I just went to AutoZone and went and got me a new drying towel. So that towel, I won't be using none of my old towels that I used to use. You feel me? Just, I went ahead and just, you feel me, spend $20 on getting this towel, and I got me a new washing mitt. Well, yeah, you feel me? Because I ain't never had no washing mitt, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, 3-in-1 washing mitt, microfiber. You feel me? Tight spots and all. But yeah, I'm not gonna be using this for the wheels and stuff. I'm gonna get something different, you feel me, and use for the wheels, because I don't want that getting filthy. Then I'm gonna have to buy another one, and you feel me, just rock out like that. So went ahead and, like I said, spend $20 to get that, you feel me, just so I can have some more materials for when I get ready to wash my cars. I won't have to just use rags and towels, you feel me. I got me some actual detailing stuff. So y'all know we just went ahead and cleaned the whole interior of this car. So now it's time to do the exterior, you feel what I'm saying? So the only thing I'm kind of speculative about, man, it's burning hot. It's 99 degrees today, and I'm thinking as soon as the water touches the car, it's gonna dry right up, you know. So I'm gonna try not to have no water spots on the car. But man, it's so hot, dog. I'm not gonna be able to stop it from drying up like this. So like I said, it's 99 degrees today. The wind is barely blowing. So, and if y'all can't tell, I'm already starting to sweat. And I literally just came outside just to start this video. Literally just came outside as soon as this video started. Don't make no sense, bro. It's burning hot. But I'd rather it be burning hot than extremely cold to where I can barely do work. You feel me? I'd rather be sweating than freezing. You feel me? So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said, y'all know what we gonna do. I'm gonna give y'all a walk around. This car is filthy on the outside, you know what I'm saying? So this car desperately needs this wash on the outside. Y'all know, like I said, we cleaned the interior of the car, wipe down stuff as much as we can to get stuff off. You feel me? Look at that, clean. This side getting dirty because y'all know this is where I'm at. So, but barely, bro, barely. Look at that. It's looking brand new in here. So yeah, y'all know we cleaned everything from the center console to the gear shift area, to my radio, to the dash, door panels, floors, carpet, seats. We did everything. So yeah, man, like, and if y'all didn't check out the video where I told y'all my 2.0 version, my vision for that, make sure y'all go check that video out. It's a lot of stuff I'm finna start getting, you feel me? But like I said, the box Chevy and the colors is holding up really my plans for everything to do with this car. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video though. Finna get out, and we're gonna do the little walk around, and we're gonna start washing, you feel me? So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all the way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this videos, keep growing and elevating together, and I'll catch y'all once I get outside the car. Alright y'all, outside of the car now. Like I said, man, this car is filthy. I'm gonna have to get some window cleaner so I can clean the inside and outside of the windows as well. But man, this car is dirty, you feel me? From the wheels, getting brake dust on them, to the side of the car, just getting dirt on it, you know what I'm saying? This car is really filthy. Bird poop on it, man. Let's gonna get right into it, you feel me? So yeah, on camera it maybe don't look as bad, but man, this car is dirty. Bug splatters, bird poop right here on my headlight, even though y'all know we gonna be changing all that out. Like I said, bug splatter. My window is filthy. I don't know if y'all could tell. I can't really tell through the camera, but my window is filthy. Wheels got brake dust on them, so we're gonna have to get them. And like I said, I'm gonna have to run in the house and get a different, I got another microfiber towel, which I'm gonna use for the wheels. So, yep. And it ain't really too much chrome to where I need to get on this car. You feel me? Everything is basically blacked out. Didn't come with no chrome from the factory, so. Yep, wheels, get up in there. 1 second, let the train go by. I think we good now. Look at the side of the car. Y'all see how dirty, y'all see all that dust on there. My car is filthy, bro. And like I said, bird poop. Yeah, man, this car desperately needs a wash. Bird poop again, just sitting right there on the roof. Dirt, just dirt and dust. And like I said, wheels again. And no, I did not do the curb rash when I got these wheels. When these wheels was given to me, it was already like that. I just never got to touch it up, which all I need to do is really just sand it down, scuff it down to get it all even, and then spray it, you feel me? But yeah, I just ain't really had the time to really do it. You know, I've been so busy. But yep, dust. And we come to the back. Don't look that dirty. I mean, under here, yeah. Can y'all see? Yeah, y'all see that, bro. Look at that. Just dirty, bro. Just dirty. Yeah, I'm gonna have to really clean this car, bro. Really get in it. I got my bucket, my soap. Look at that dust. Brake dust on the wheels. Just, that's all. It's really just dust, bro. You feel me? Driving in the rain and kicking up all that water splatter from the road, and then the car staying dusty without me washing it off. So yeah, man, we really gotta get up in here and clean this good. Y'all see the dust on there, bro. Ain't no cap. This car is pretty dirty. So yeah, we gotta get in this car and clean it really good, you feel me? Like I said, I gotta get some window spray so I can clean the windows. And then we're gonna wipe off the top area. I gotta get my microfiber towel out and my microfiber mitt so we can wipe this on down good. And like I said, I'm gonna run the house and grab another. I got a few more microfiber towels that I've been having, and we're gonna use those for the wheels. You know what I'm saying? Use the mitt for the whole car. And then, like I said, I also gotta wash the box Chevy, so that'll be next after this. We need to get this done. Gotta hook up the water hose. I'm gonna spray it down first. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. This is my 2006 Charger in one frame. Like I said, I'm gonna spray the car down first. Then after I spray it down, then we're gonna start washing it down. Like I said, man, I'm pretty sure as soon as the water touched the car, probably about a minute, all that water gonna dry up. You feel me? That's literally how hot it is out here. Like I told y'all, man, there's no cap in my rap. It's 99 degrees outside today. It's supposed to be 99 today and tomorrow, which today is a Saturday, tomorrow will be a Sunday. So it's gonna be 99 degrees both days. And tomorrow, I'm gonna try and do some work on the cars tomorrow. I don't know what all I really want to do, but I'm gonna try and do something tomorrow just so I can keep busy. And then I got a job, little thing I gotta do, a little side quest so I can go make some extra cash to spend on these cars. Feel what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm finna get right into this, man. Like I said, man, we're gonna be washing this off. Y'all know my 2.0 version. I'm so excited to get started on that. And the first thing I'm gonna be getting is the front bumper. Then from the front bumper, I'm gonna get the headlights, then the tail lights, then side skirts, side skirts in the front lip, and the diffuser. They don't cost that much, so I'm not stressed about getting that. But the bumper is like $500, $400. Headlights like $250, tail lights like $200. So them the big purchases, you feel me? The front lip and the side skirts, they only like $40 a piece, $50 a piece, maybe $60. You feel me? So I'm not too stressed about those, but them bigger purchases is what I need to go ahead and start getting first. So yep. So let me go ahead and, like I said, spray the car down, then I'm gonna wash it off, then come back to y'all, show y'all the end result. So y'all just gotta stay tuned for everything that's finna get done. And like I said, man, we finna clean this whole car up, but I gotta get the window spray as well, go get the microfiber tires and move on from there. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, so I'm now finished, and I even put a little bit of tire shine on the car, even though I hate having tire shine on the car. You feel me? When you driving and stuff, it start kicking off the tire and going onto the body of the car, it cakes up and stuff. I don't like rocking tire shine, but I went ahead and did it. You feel me? I got thicker tires on this car with some rims on it, so why not let it shine for a little bit? You feel me? And I don't know if y'all could tell, but my shirt is soaking wet from sweating, and it's hot, man. I told y'all it's hot, but I'm done. You feel me? One car down, one to go. So here we go. No more dirt, no more dust. The car's clean now, bro. I even got the wheels, got all the brake dust off of the wheels. Look at that now, man. The red's back shining to me. And like I said, I put a little bit of tire shine on, and I usually don't like rocking tire shine, because like I said, once it start kicking off the tires and going to the body of the car and it cakes up, and I don't like doing that. But yeah, man, the car is now clean. Y'all see all the dust and dirt is gone. You can lay your food on here and eat right off of it. You feel me? I took me about an hour to do it, because I took my time. You feel me? Because this is my daily. It's the car I drive every day, so I wanted to make sure it was actually fully cleaned. So yeah, man, got the car all the way clean. I couldn't get all the way in the grill, you know what I'm saying, because yeah, that microfiber rag or microfiber mitt, I couldn't get in there, you feel me? So yeah, maybe if I had the actual glove, microfiber glove, I probably could have used the finger ports and done something like that. But it's all right, you know what I'm saying? It's still shining. Look there, it's still shining at you. Look at y'all see yourself? It's still shining at us, you know what I'm saying? And I'm back then I used to love this front plate because it said Charger on it, but now that I'm older, I hate the front plates on here. That's another reason why I want to get another bumper, and y'all know it's broke down here, you feel me? So yeah, that's one of the main reasons why I want to get another bumper, is because I put that on there, and if I take it off, yes, I can feel the holes, but I just don't want to do that. I'd rather just go ahead and get the SRT bumper, and it makes it look more aggressive anyways. You feel what I'm saying? And some of this stuff won't come off. You feel me? I don't know what it is, but some of it won't come off. So yeah, new bumper comer anyway, so I ain't worried about it. But like I said, man, we went ahead and get that out of here. Got the wheels perfect, bro. Look at that. The red is back shining. I need to go ahead and repaint these, man, but I need to repaint the whole car. You feel what I'm saying? And this is not the outside, it's the inside of the car, so I need to get the inside of the window. I don't know if y'all can tell a little bit. It's like smeared, but it's on the inside of the car. You feel what I'm saying? So got the mirrors, windows, the trim, and like I said, some of this won't come off, but the whole car needs to get repainted. All the black trim need to get redone, you know? So the roof is cleaned. Yeah, man, you just got the whole car done. You feel what I'm saying? Like I said, the bottom portion, and y'all know I painted this car myself. It ain't perfect, it ain't the best, but it's dang sure a good paint job. You know what I'm saying? It got me to pass inspection, I should say. And the car is all one color, but if y'all know, different door colors. So but yeah, man, we got the car fully clean. Got up under here. See, my paint is, I need to repaint this car so bad. But when I painted this car, I didn't take the spoiler off, but that's something I will do next time. I will pull the spoiler off and respray the car. So but yeah, it's alright, you feel me? Y'all see it, the car is clean. You don't see no dirt there. fully clean, bro. I need to make sure I'm gonna get one of them little things you put in your drill to get that off, because I told you I want to de-badge the car so there'll be no badges on it. I'm probably just leave this one, but I need to get a new one because this one's scuffed up. If y'all look and see, like scratched up. But yeah, man, got the car fully clean, bro. Y'all let me know what y'all think, how y'all feel. Get a back Porsche. You feel me? The car is looking really good, bro. Now I just need to roll on the road. So now I gotta move this one, pull the box Chevy out, pull it up, wash it off too, get the wheels good, because I haven't got to wash that car since I put the wheels on it. So I definitely want to wash the exterior of that car with the wheels on it, and wash the wheels as well, and get them shining like my 22s on my Charger. 22s, 26s. Fire, bro, I'm telling you, fire. My little car collection is looking pretty good. Just gotta get that Cutlass back, and then we'll have all three of them lined up in this driveway. It'd be hard, bro, I'm telling you, it'd be so hard. But like I said, man, y'all let me know what y'all think, how y'all feel about the wash. Yeah, I think I did pretty good. I think I did for the little bit of materials that I have. So yeah, I will catch y'all in a second for the outro. I gotta get ready to move this car and pull it on the box Chevy, so catch y'all in a second for the outro. All right, y'all, so y'all know, man, I done cleaned the inside of the car. Now we done the outside of this car, and within all of a week span, you feel me, and this car really needed that, you know what I'm saying? So I'm glad I was able to do it. I'm glad I finally got this car cleaned down on the inside, so you feel me, I don't gotta stress about cleaning the interior of this car, because I done it now. So like I said, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. We got the car clean. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. To me personally, man, them wheels just shine when I clean them, bro. Every time I clean them, them wheels just pop, and it makes me love them wheels more and more every time I wash this car. But you feel me, after say about a week, because y'all know I drive this car every day, so after about a week, then them wheels is gonna be back dirty. So what I need to start doing is stand on top of it, and y'all seen that fly just fly across the screen. But what I need to start doing is stand on top of keeping this car clean. So at least once a week or once every 2 weeks, I need to start washing this car. But I know the video is gonna start getting repetitive, and that's the only reason why I don't do it as much, because y'all know anything I do with the cars, I try to make sure I record, and I just don't want it to see real repetitive, you feel me, or seem real repetitive, you know what I'm saying? So, but other than that, man, we got the car clean, interior clean, exterior clean. Next step, box Chevy, I need to get the interior of that car cleaned again, because it's been a few months, maybe like 3 months, I think, maybe a little bit longer since I cleaned the inside of that car. So really need to clean the inside of that car, you feel me? So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed though. Like I said, man, leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to auto where y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel and share this video, that way we keep growing and elevating together. It's my last video on this SIM card. I gotta put a new SIM card in, which I've already went and got, and y'all stay tuned for version 2.0 for this car, coming very soon, and we're gonna start step by step, slowly. I'm not in a rush to get it done, but it's definitely gonna be a little slow journey. So hope y'all enjoy everything that's to come with all the cars and box Chevy getting dropped off. For me, about a week and a half. For y'all, probably about 2 to 3 weeks. Y'all just gotta stay tuned, you feel me? Turn that post notification bell all, that way y'all be notified and y'all know when that video drops. But I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Peace.